Welcome to the quick tutorial on how to log in, use basic features and start presenting. For the best experience, we recommend using a laptop and Chrome browser. Simply go on explore.unyted.world and click on Login on the top right. Enter your email address, then the code that was sent to you, and finally your name. Now choose your space you would like to present in, and click on it. On the top right, you can edit your profile and avatar. With holding the left mouse click, you can adjust your perspective. By hovering over an asset until an arrow appears and clicking on it, you can take a seat. Use the F key for the best view. You have multiple options like sharing your camera, screen, or uploading an image. Make sure you have the necessary host or admin rights to do so. Walk with the arrow keys and press Shift to run. The plus icon is the asset library with which you can add assets to the space, followed by the editing tool to move and scale assets. By double-clicking, you can also jump to a spot that's far away. You can enter a private zone. Only users in the same zone can hear each other, ideal for confidential discussions. Enjoy hosting your first immersive presentation and explore a better way to connect.